This is a sneak peek of one of the exclusive videos inside my VIP community. Stick around to the end to learn how to join. In this video, I want to talk to you about a particular application for pocket screw joinery. It's actually a completely different way to do trim. It's really a whole other concept, and it's ideal if you want decent looking trim, kind of even maybe a little on the fancy side too, without paying huge prices. The genius of the system, the thing that makes it work, is the ability to drill shouldered holes at an angle. The hole down there is much smaller than the hole up here. The frames are joined ahead of time, and then they're applied to the wall as a unit. Even if you do get it quite right, it's not unusual for those joints to open up a little bit. I've got some actual trim pieces on the floor, and we're going to be joining those into a frame. Using this stationary machine here, get this drill bit out. The whole system comes down to using this drill bit with a shoulder. When I use it, it goes down and it holds the piece of wood securely. The main purpose of this video is to show you how all this goes together. There's something going on here, and I want to explain what that is. This thing you see here, just to ram these pieces down together perfectly so they're nice and tight, you need a long bit. A shorter bit can do, but take a look here. You see, a shorter bit might be a problem because I have to get close in and the chuck can hit the wood. So that's why they made these really long bits. And I always have it set on the slowest speed. Not because I need the power, but because I don't want the speed. Because with too much speed, it's also possible to overdrive. Inside the VIP community, you don't just get twice the content, you get direct access to me for hands-on DIY help, full access to 15 in-depth courses, live Q&A sessions, exclusive contests, and a growing community of passionate DIYers. Click the first link below to join today.